Hello, third grade, and welcome to grammar for today. Today we're going to continue practicing quotations, but focusing on our typing, because sometimes it can be tricky to add the quotation marks, so we'll be practicing that today. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are on Class Kick and following along with me. You can click your home button, make it small, and we'll go ahead and begin. Now, in our last lesson, we learned that a piece of dialogue has two parts. It has the quotation and it has the tag. The quotation is the part that they say, that is said out loud, and the tag is who is saying it. So in this activity, we will be doing 1, 2, and 3 together, and then you will choose 3 more to do on your own. Let's begin with number 1. Grab a highlighting tool, choose a color, and we're going to highlight what needs to be in quotation marks. I wonder where to hang this frame, the woman wondered. So the thing the woman said or wondered was, I wonder where to hang this frame. That means that my quotation marks are going to be on the outside of what she said. Now let's practice typing that. Now you'll be able to see my keyboard over here. If you have to make it large to help yourself see my letters a little more clearly, then you can do that. I'm going to zoom in here in a minute as well. So I'm going to begin typing by putting my first quotation marks. So on your keyboard, it is right here, this button right here. But you have to click a second button to get 2 quotation marks at one time. So you're going to click Shift, this button right here, click it, and then tap that same button. And it'll give you 2 quotation marks. Then I can keep typing my sentence. Capital I, Shift, I, wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R, where, W-H-E-R-E, to, T-O, hang, this frame. So you can see where I'm at on my sentence. I wonder where hang this frame. Now I'm going to extend this to make sure I have it all in one part. Make it a little bit smaller. You can go ahead and do that too. Now I have to add my question mark. Just click Shift and then my question mark. Then I need to add my quotation marks at the end. Shift and then quotation marks. You can see. I wonder where to hang this frame, quotation marks. And space. Then I can finish the sentence. The woman wondered. Pause the video so you can type this out on your own. We're going to move on to number 2. Careful, it's hot, said the waiter to Marcus. So we'll highlight what they said. Careful, it's hot. And begin typing it out. This is the beginning of the quote, so I'm going to add my quotation marks, clicking Shift, quotation marks, and then write what they said, capital C, careful, exclamation point, it's apostrophe, hot, comma. If it's a complete sentence and it has a period, it is used as a comma if there is the tag at the end of the sentence. Then right after that, there is no space. I'm going to click Shift and then quotation marks. There's no space. Now I will add 1 space. Then type the rest of the sentence. I know I probably type much faster than you, so I want you to pause the video, Make sure that you have it exactly like mine. Remember, we are practicing typing and using quotation marks, so your typing needs to be perfect, just like mine. Now moving on to number 3. At any point, pause the video if you need more time. I'll highlight what they say. Are there more people coming? Asked the hostess at the restaurant. Are there more people coming? So I need quotation marks before what they said. Type in their question. Add the quotation mark. I'll make this a little bit longer so I can see it all. Then add the other quotation marks. No space in between. Now I can add my space. Ask the hostess, that's someone that seats you in a restaurant, at the restaurant. Make it a little smaller so I can see it all. If you need more time to type this out, pause the video. Now you need to choose 3 more to do on your own. I want you to highlight the ones that you choose to do in green, type them out, and then you can move on to the next activity. Don't forget to highlight what they say so you know to put quotation marks before and after.